Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will explain how to create and add a new local user, non-domain, to the local administrators group on client machines by creating a simple batch file and publishing it using a group policy object, GPO. You may need this method when you want to provide a persistent elevated local account for emergency backup, or when the machine is connected to the domain and the domain administrator cannot log in. In any case, make sure you know the steps carefully because I'm sure you'll need them at some point. Okay, let's begin. First, open a text document and I'll type the commands into this text file. I'll first write the command that will create the user, net user. Then I'll type the username you want to add, for example, shnew. Then I'll enter the password you want for this new user. Finally, I'll type /add to add or create the user. In the second line, I will add the new user to the local group administrators group. Enter the command net local group administrator, then type the username, which is shnew, and type /add to add it to the local group administrators group. The next step is to save the file as a batch file. Click File, then click Save As. Save the batch file to your desktop or another easily accessible location. Also give it a descriptive name that's easy to identify. Select All Files and click the Save button. The batch file will immediately be created on your desktop, and you can now close the text file. Don't forget to save any file as a batch file with the .bat extension. Now copy the batch file, as we'll need to paste it elsewhere when creating the group policy object. Next, open Group Policy Management and right-click on the organizational unit to which you want to apply the policy. Select Create a GPO in this domain and link it here, and in the new GPO window, give it a descriptive name that will make it easy to access later. The next step is to edit the group policy object and add the batch file as a startup script. Right-click the newly created GPO and click Edit. This will open the Group Policy Management Editor. On the left, navigate to the path shown on the screen, and I'll leave the path in the video description. On the right side, double-click Startup, click the Add button, click the Browse button, and paste the batch file into this path or location. The file will be pasted into sysvol so domain controllers can copy it. Startup scripts run as local system when booted, giving them the necessary permissions to create local accounts and change group membership. Now update the group policy by entering the update command before going to the client computers to verify that the new policy is applied to them. Moving to one of the client computers, now force the group policy update by opening the command prompt and entering the update command, which is gp update/force. After the update, I will verify the addition and creation of the new user. Next, open the computer management window, and on the left side, open the users folder under the local users and groups section. You'll find that the user named shnew has been added. That's all for today's video. I hope this explanation was clear and useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video so others can benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.